In this video, I will show you how to master the HabitNow app to take full control of your daily routine and achieve your long-term goals. When you first open the app, you are greeted with a clean and intuitive interface designed for productivity. To get started, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create your very first habit. You can choose between a recurring habit like drinking water or a one-time task for specific errands. Give your habit a clear name and select a vibrant icon to make it stand out on your list. One of the best features of this app is the ability to set specific schedules. You can choose to track your progress daily, weekly, or on specific days of the month. After you have set the frequency, decide if your habit is measured with a simple check mark or a numeric value like miles run or pages read. It is very helpful to set a reminder so the app sends you a gentle nudge at the perfect time. Once your habits are active, simply swipe right to mark them as complete. To see your growth over time, tap on a habit to view detailed statistics and beautiful charts that show your current streaks. Seeing those bars go up is incredibly motivating. You can also organize your tasks into categories like health or work to keep things organized. By consistently using these tools, you will transform your small daily actions into permanent lifestyle changes. Start today and watch your personal progress soar.